I need more light. Guys, hi guys, I'm finally dating. Ojen kan man, solo nga phumi.
Check my Mzansi chicken. Have I finished the curry?
Yeah. Hi Red, how are you? What's it come like in Red? We are young. Wanna ever like experience like see Swazi couples like every time they argue? Did they argue in Swazi or they argue in English?
It's let me see Swati, but depending on the generation. Generation Z, it's English. But I can't call them
No, but
couples.
like in a verbal exchange, like face to face.
Well, it's Swati. You can't argue in English. Even if you can date a white person, you want to just clear your mind and your clear
What are
your
you
chest.
trying to say? I argue in English.
No, because of your generation. Cheese.
Jason Twala. Hi. I did tell you I saw Mr. Taylor, my accounts teacher.
Old now.
He's so short. Hey, he shouts though. It's not like it. I used to be scared of him. Thank you.
When I meet my teachers, my high school teachers are actually run away.
You run away? Why?
Just avoid them. No, I think maybe the first question would be like,
I used to do that, but now I'm phone. Oh, yes. I do have someone here around. I do. I just like feeling a bit too lonely and stuff.
hey, well, someone like what? Someone went in.
I beg to Sabatang who say, Yamati pen. Pen in Zeus. Yes.
Unjani Tote.
I only thought she knows the hero. I've
never
hung out. Oh, I have. I actually forgot. I'm on a lunch date with my friend. We are having lunch. I pulled him off from school. Sorry, I didn't pull off. Did you actually pull out?
No, it was after school.
Okay. I mean, you can tell me later. But now me bang bita nae ugbita ngatot. So yesterday I had this Chinese rice and some deep fried chicken. Oh my god, it's the best. I'm going there now to get it. It's gonna be my dinner.
It's there, Mzansi?
Sorry?
Mzansi? Chinese man?
No, it's right there by my Tapa lifestyle. Oh, this is so boring. I brought one phone, guys. I didn't bring my phones because right now I've been looking at my other phone. I'm in love. Yo, the way laying in love ngakhona kuthi angithathe nasandla sami ngitikhuni. Yo, hi. I'm so in love, it's crazy.
And tell me uzawuphela izoba right.
Stawuphela stawufine. I'm Dominic from Ghana. I love you, sweetheart. Nice meeting you, Dominic. I'm running to the lifestyle after this. Just say hi. Nah, now I'll just order and send this one to go pay for it. Nah, I won't step out. You know what I want Sunday to that restaurant where we're going? The espresso. I keep forgetting to have it. Remember the other time I literally forgot to order it.
Gates, yeah. And then I promise it by the gates, but they do.
Yeah, funangi mengahambi kumela because I forget. Kuthiwa uDlamini control South Africa from Swaziland. How do you control South Africa from Swaziland? I don't understand. I want to know how. Do they mean I'm a bitch in South Africa? I'm a whore? I'm a slut? I don't know. What do they mean? So bonus is blue. Hello, Masibegela. Mbani kama leswat angengikhona English la. Angengikhona English la. I'm in love. Hayibo. Ha? Kuthi angitikhuni nje manje like
But you are just being general.
you know what?
I wish I was I'm in love with.
Yeah. The way laying in love ngakhona. Saze sasha niphelile phela nini. Niphelile. Show us the person so we can akekho nala kangwane. Awati phela kusangiti ganhlata lapha phasi nje. You see, like kahle bafaka mina shem I'm yo. Bafaka Yo. Me in love, guys. Mina ngathi khipha tonke titulo lana la ngaphandle. The way lenginemdlandla ngakhona.
Because of love.
Yeah, wena. Batanglimata lenhlitiyo yathi. Bayivithite lana kubhomele ngadi. Kubhomele inhlitiyo, sorry. I was wondering what you were doing. You were thinking of a caption. God. Like, give us a break, BK.
After 2 hours of just swimming this thing.
Hi, I'm so hi. Yeah, I think TikTok is gonna be very tired of me because every single time I come on the live, I'm in love. How far is your food, bro? I wanna go. Do you have Red Bull? Do you have Red Bull? Can I please have? Thank you.
Like, I've never been to a proper date in my life.
I thought you actually went on the 10-year relationship. You didn't? You used to do it, but you just didn't take it serious.
Yeah, it's just I don't want to.
Wait, why aren't you going with this one?
I don't like being serious.
Oh my gosh.
I think I'm used to be around friends than being with someone that I love.
Yes. Yes.
Can I have the bill, please? I want to be serious and go to a listen for no more than how are you? Hey, leave me alone.
Dora keeps changing her name on TikTok. Your name is Nancy Dennis, not Lamnyasa. What the hell is even that? Maybe you should go on a proper date. But it would be, for me, I don't like talking, like, what are we going to talk about?
Yeah. What is it that's going to we're going to discuss, which we can't discuss in our private space? I don't know.
You know what the walk of shame would be? Going back to the house together.
Yeah.
For me, that wouldn't sit well with me. It's better I pick you up somewhere than I take you home.
Yeah, you go separate ways. Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, that's a great idea.
I don't want to take you to a restaurant, then open. I know. I'm not taking you there.
Oh, like I see you dressing up in front of me, dressing up.
It's better to dress up from different areas.
Yeah, then you get
then I can pick you up. Yeah.
You're looking good.
But dressing right next to me.
So.
No.
Unless you're going to a joint date, you see.
Joint dates like with another couple.
Yeah, maybe or with friends.
I'll just have it like this. Yeah.
Or with friends, you see.
Hi. Hey, no, I do have a card, but I need to
remove the
I need to take this money out. I need to finish it. Guys, I'm so sorry. It's okay, it's
532.
Okay. Yes, I am. And the worst part is I have a lot of these notes. I sent this boo to go and deposit some because I had a lot of.
Also, you can change to this currency. South African.
ngicela ungayidli imali ngiyacela. Ngicela ungayidli imali. Le mali engilele ngikuthembise yona. Ayisiyo yakho.
We're going there, we go past there.
But wena phela ngiyade uzoshamba kanye.
You'll be there.
Asa ngitatibuka mina ukuthi ngisayina malini.
It's 5:32. Okay. Oh, so. There's 2 pigs here.
Yeah, ne emhlabeni mzima kwa superstar.
Sikuba isipasta. Emakwacha emakone. Counting dollars.
Ngashamba kanye lapha. Yakwazi phela wena mshumisi.
Hey, ngithi makhiki today.
Uthi makhiki like at all?
Ikhona but it's just I don't trust tracksuits.
I don't like phone calls.
Emakhaya kanje. Next time after papa's anxiety. Nangibambe vele. Noma futhi ngabe kusho images unless it's a friend.
Guys, sorry, ne?
Colleagues and family, man.
I need to love and leave you. I don't like phone calls because of certain reasons, guys. Sekungcono lokuthi ngihambe because thank you guys for being with me on this live. If it's your man, say 1. If it's your friend, say 2. He's my friend too. That mozzarella is gonna kill me at night.
It's too thick, ne? Like eating 4 or 5 cubes of
We're
mozzarella.
supposed to make it a bit like smaller, like for them to get into my mouth.
Because this one has to chop.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining my live. Me and BK, my friend, we're gonna love and leave you. Thank you so much.